Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your affiliate portal in the Refersion platform. If you're an affiliate that is promoting for a merchant and you've been accepted into the merchant's affiliate program, then you'll have access to the affiliate portal that's hosted by Refersion. Depending on how the merchant has configured their program, you might not see all of the tabs on the top here in your affiliate portal, but these are all of the possible tabs that you can access. I'll walk through each of them one by one so you can get a full understanding of how to use Refersion. The very first tab that you'll see when you log in is the dashboard, which is like the home page for your account. From here, you'll be able to access your unique referral link and your coupon code if you have one. You also have the option to create a link to a specific page on the merchant's website if you want to send traffic to a specific product or collection, for example. You also have a brief overview of your performance, and you can quickly access the merchant's terms and conditions and privacy policy for the program. On the top are all of the different tabs that you can access, and you can click each tab to navigate to that page. The next page is the Creatives tab. Creatives are assets that your merchant has uploaded for you to utilize. They can be either pictures, GIFs, or even text. If you click a creative, you'll have a block of JavaScript code that you can copy and paste onto your blog or website if you have one. The code will automatically populate with the image and will embed it with your unique referral link. Otherwise, you can download the image and share it directly on social media. This tab will only show up if your merchant has uploaded creatives. The next tab is the Conversions tab. This tab will only show up if you have conversions on the merchant's account. Conversions are referred sales, so on this page you can see all of the sales that you've referred for this merchant. You can filter by date range, as well as filter by status, and you can even check the payment status for each of the conversions. The next page is the Products page. This tab will only show up if your merchant has a Shopify store or an Amazon store connected to their affiliate program. You can search for products individually if you need to, and each product has a referral link that you can copy and paste. The Payment History tab is pretty straightforward. You'll be able to see your previous payments that you've received from the merchant. The Message tab is where you can message the merchant directly, and you also have access to see previous messages that they've sent you. Affiliates also have access to pull their own reports from their account via the Reporting tab. You have different options for what kind of reports that you can pull if you click these buttons on top. You can also see a preview of the report that will be run. You can set the report to be one-time or recurring. One-time reports that you run will be available on the Report Status tab on the left, and recurring reports will be available on the Recurring Reports tab. The final tab that you can access is the Settings tab. Here you'll be able to edit your time zone, your contact information, your PayPal email, and your password if you need to. That's how to use the Refersion affiliate portal in a nutshell. If you have any questions, then you can feel free to use the in-app chat or email us at helpme@refersion.com and we'll get back to you. Thank you and have a good day.